Okay guys, this is the solutions for your exercise for number 1. Find the common ratio and write down the n term of each of the following geometric progressions. Okay, so for number 1a, I want to try to find the a first. So the a will be 3, the first term, and then the ratio, the ratio will be u2 over u1 equals to 12 over 3, the second term divided by the first term, equals to 4. Okay, so after I get the ratio equals to 4, I want to find the un, because the questions want us to find the n term. That means we have to find the un. Okay, so un equals to a times r to the power of n minus 1 equals to a3 times the r is 4 to the power of n minus 1. Just leave it like that. So this is the un and ratio for number 1. And the next is 1b. For 1b also the same. So for a equals to 1, and then for the ratio I will use u2 over u1, the second term divided by the first term, half divided by 1, r equals to half. After that we have to find the un equals to a times r to the power of n minus 1, un equals to 1 times half to the power of n minus 1. So the un will be half to the power of n minus 1. This is the answer for number 2. 1b, sorry. And then for number 2a, find the sum of each of the following geometric progressions. The first one is 10, 5, 2 half. I want to find the a first. The a equals to 10, the first term. And then the ratio will be 5 over 10. The second term divided by the first term equals to half. And then the question wants us to find the sum until the 10th term. That means the first 10th term, and that means also S10 equals to a times the ratio is half, so we will use this one, 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r. After that, let's put the a 10, 1 minus half to the power of 10 over 1 minus half. Okay, can we solve this? 10 times 1 minus 1 over 1024, really? Over half. So when we divide 10 with the half, it will be 20 times 1023 over 1024. Phew. After that, divide by 4 maybe. Wait, let's use calculator instead, so this is too big. Divide by 4, it will be 256 divided by 4 equals to 5. So 5115 over 256. This is the result for S10. Okay, next is 2b. For number 2b, a equals to 4, and a equals to 3, sorry, and the ratio will be 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. After that, 2m term, that means m first term, so the question wants us to find the sm. Sm means the n equals to m, so the formula will be a 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r. So a equals to 3, 1 minus r equals to 4. The n equals to m over 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 equals to... Oops, sorry, my mistake. We should use the other formula, r to the power of n minus 1, r minus 1, 3 minus 1, 4 to the power of n minus 1, because the ratio is bigger than 1, so we have to use this. This is 4 minus 1 equals to 3. 3 we can cross out with 3, so the result is 4 to the power of n minus 1. That's it. No, not n, sorry, m. 4 to the power of m minus 1, Okay, next is for number 3a. For number 3a, find the two possible effects of the following geometric progression. We know that geometric progression has a characteristic of the ratio. The ratio of each term should be the same. So I will find the ratio first from the u2 over u1, the second term over the first term. It will be x over 3. So this is the ratio from the second term and the first term. Next, I will try to find also the ratio for the third term, u3, with the second term. Yeah, so the ratio will be 48 over x. And we know that the ratio should be the same, so I can tell that x over 3 should be equal to 48 over x. Cross multiply, x squared equals to 48 times 3 equals to 144. That means x equals to square root of 144. Do not forget that when we move the square into square root, it should be plus minus in front of the roots. Yeah, so it will be plus minus 12. So x can be, find the two possible. Yeah, the two possible value of x is 12 or negative 12. That is for number 3a. And the next is 3b. It's still the same. Yeah, so from the second and the first, I will get the ratio equals to x over 72. From the third and the second, I will get 18 over x. So the ratio should be the same, x over 72. X over 72 equals to 18 over x. So cross multiply, x squared equals to 18 times 72 equals to 1296. So x equals to plus minus square root of 1296. Square root of 1296 equals to 36. Yeah, so x equals to plus minus 36. It can be plus 36 and it can be negative 36 or negative 36. Okay, next, number 4. For number 4, it's only for 4a. Yeah? Sn denotes the sum of geometric progressions. Find the first term and the common ratio if like this. So for number 4a, Sn equals to 4 in bracket 1 minus 1 over 4 to the power of n. I will put n equals to 1. For the first, I will put n equals to 1 to find S1. Yeah? S1 equals to 4 times 1 minus 1 over 4 to the power of 1. So the result will be 4 times 3 over 4. 1 minus 1 over 4 equals to 3 over 4 equals to 3. So the S1 equals to 3. What is the meaning of S1? S1 means the sum of the first one term. Yeah. So it's still one term. One term means ini yang pertama. This is the first. So I can tell that U1 is also 3. That means A is also 3. Yeah, so the question wants us to find the first term. We already got it, which is 3. Okay, the next is the ratio. To find the ratio, we have to find the U2 first, because the ratio is U2 over U1. Yeah, so we will try to find n equals to 2. That means S2 equals to 4 times 1 minus 1 over 4 to the power of n. N equals to 2, so 4 times 1 minus 1 over 16. That means 4 times 15 over 16. Yeah, make the denominator equal. After that, I can cross the 4 and the 16. I will get 15 over 4. So this is the S2. But remember, S2 is not U2, not the second term. S2 means the sum of the first term and the second term. So I can tell that U1 plus U2 equals to 15 over 4. Since I have the U1 equals to 3, I can put the 3 into the U1 and then I will get U2 from here. U2 equals to 15 over 4 minus 3. 4, 12, U2 equals to 3 over 4. That's it. Okay, U2 equals to 3 over 4. After that, I can find the ratio, yeah, from U2 and U1. R equals to U2 over U1 equals to U2 3 over 4 over the U1 is 3, so the ratio will be 1 over 4. There you go. And the next is number 10. The first, the fourth, and the 10th term of an arithmetic progression are in geometric progression. Wait, what? Oh, so the first, the fourth, and the 10th term of arithmetic progression are in geometric progression. Okay, so let's try to find the formula for the first, the fourth, and the 10th term of arithmetic progression. Yeah, so the first term considered as A, the first term is considered as A, and the fourth term will be, if we use the formula u4 equals to A plus n minus 1 times B, we will have u4 equals to A plus 4 minus 1 times B. So u4 equals to, since we know the, nggak tahu ya, and the sum is 63. Oke, nanti aja. So A plus 3B, this is the u4. After that, we can find the 10th term also with the same formula. Therefore, you will get A plus 9B. After we have first, fourth, and 10, I will find this sentence first. Their sum is 63. So I have to add them. Sum means add, yeah, plus 3B, and then plus A plus 9B. That means the first plus the fourth plus the 10th. The result will be 63. Yeah, the sum is 63. So after that, I will get 3A plus 12B equals to 63, and then I can divide them by 3. So I will have smaller numbers. For B equals to 21, right? After that, I can use this to find A. A equals to 21 minus 4B. And the next is I will put the A into each of the term. Okay, so I can modify the first term, which A before, into 21 minus 4B, because A equals to 21 minus 4B, and the fourth term will be A plus 3B. Yeah, the A is 21 minus 4B plus 3B, that means plus 3B. So the result will be 21 minus B. After that, the 10th term, also the same. A plus 9B, 21 minus 4B plus 9B equals to 21 plus 5B. That's it. After that, the question says these three terms, these three numbers are in geometric progressions also. So this is are in geometric progression. If the question says so, yeah, so 21 minus 4B, comma 21 minus B, comma 21 plus 5B is in geometric progression. That means this is the first term for the geometric, this is the second term for the geometric, this is the third term for the geometric. Yeah. After that, I can find the ratio from the second and the first, u2 over u1. The ratio will be 21 minus b over 21 minus 4b, and then r equals to u3 over u2 from the third and the second. It will be 21 plus 5b over 21 minus b. After that, we know that for geometric, the ratio should be the same, so I can tell that 21 minus b over 21 minus 4b equals to 21 plus 5b over 21 minus b. And then I can cross multiply like this. 21 times 21 is 441. Cepet-cepeting ya itu ya. Jadi minus 21 minus 42b, and then minus b times it into, the result is plus b square. After that, 21 times 21 again, 441, and then negative 84, and then plus 105. B equals to 21b, and then negative 4 times 5 is 20b squared. We can cross out the 441 because it's the same, and then I will move this to the left side. So the result will be 21b squared, and then minus 63b equals to 0. We can factorize the 21b, and then this one will be b, and this one is 3 equals to 0. From this one we will get b equals to 0. From this one we will get b equals to 3. We know that b is the difference for the arithmetic. The difference of arithmetic cannot be 0 because if the difference is 0, that means we cannot say it's arithmetic, ya, because arithmetic has difference besides 0, ya, jadi nggak boleh 0. Jadi kita ambilnya yang b equals to 3. After you get b equals to 3, you can use these equations to find the a. So the a will be 21 minus 4 times b equals to 3. So 21 minus 12. A equals to 21 minus 12, a equals to 9. Nah, jadi kita dapat A and B. Pertanyaannya adalah find the common ratio. Oh, ternyata nggak usah nyari A ya. We don't have to find A to get the ratio. Because the ratio is this equations, we can find it directly. 21 minus B equals to 3 over 21 minus 4B. 4B means 4 times 3, 12. So the ratio will be 18 over 9. Ratio equals to 2. So the ratio is 2. Okay, that's it for number 10. Next is number 13. 13a first. For number 13a, I will tell that the a equals to half, and then the ratio is 1 over 6 over 1 over 2. So the ratio will be 2 over 6, 1 over 3 ya. And then after that, the questions want us to find the sum of limiting sum. Oh, apa itu? Find the limiting sum itu sama kayak the sum of infinite ya. So the question want us to find the infinite sum of the series. So the formula will be 1 minus r, a over 1 minus r. The a is half. 1 minus r is 1 over 3. So half over 2 over 3 equals to 3 over 4. 3 over 4. This is the result. 3 over 4 for 13a. And then for 13b, we have a equals to half. Don't bother with the negative. We can find the ratio directly with the u2 over u1. So the ratio will be negative. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So it will be half. Am I correct? Yes. After that, we can find the s infinite equals to a over 1 minus r. A equals to half over 1 minus half. So half over 3 over 2. 3 over 2. So the result will be 1 over 3. Okay, this is the answer for number 13a and 13b. Next is number 14. Sebuah bola dijatuhkan ke lantai horizontal dari horizontal lantainya ya. Dijatuhkannya vertikal. From the height of 20 meters, every time the ball touch the floor, it will reach 3 over 4 of the height of the previous height ya. Find the total distance that is traveled by the ball. Traveled by the ball from the third until stop. Okay, so let's sketch the illustration. First, I have a ball with the height of 20 meters, and then after that, the first bounce will give us 3 over 4 of the height of 20. So 3 over 4 times 20 equal to 15 yeah. So we'll have 15 meters for the first bounce, and then 15 meters down also. The second bounce 3 over 4 again from the 15. So it will be 15 times 3 over 4. It will be 45 over 4 yeah. So it's 45 over 4 meters. Go down again, 45 over 4 meters. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm wrong. This is the first bounce, and this is the second bounce, and this is the third bounce. The question wants us to find the total distance that is traveled by the ball after the third bounce ya. Dari pantulan ketiga katanya. Kalau dari pantulan ketiga ya berarti ini nggak dihitung. Ini nggak dihitung. Kita mulainya dari pantulan ketiga. Mulai dari sini. Berarti 45 over 4 times 3 over 4 lagi. Jadi hasilnya adalah berapa nih? 12135 ya, 135 over 16. So the next bounds will be 135 over 6 plus it going down 135 over 6 again plus and so on. And the ratio is 3 over 4 ya, because every time it bounds it will reach 3 over 4 of the previous height. So I can tell that the A is 135 over 6. Yeah, you cannot say the A is 20, you cannot say the A is 15, because we start from the third bounds till the end. So the ratio will be 3 over 4. And the question wants us to find the sum of the distance. We will use S infinite equals to A over 1 minus R. So 135 over 6 over 1 minus 3 over 4 equals to 135 over 1 over 4, sorry, over 6. That means 135 divided by 6 times 4, 90 meters guys. So the ball will travel 90 meters from the third bounce until it stops. Yeah, this is for number 14. And the next is number 15, the last one. Jumlah sebuah deret geometri tak hingga adalah the sum of infinite series is 60, while the sum of is still infinite series, but for the odd term yeah is 45. Find the third term. Okay, so we have infinite series, but we don't know the A and the R for yet. But I can tell like this, yeah. So the first term may be A, and the second term is A times R, because this is geometric. So I can tell that the second term is A times R. The third term is AR square. The fourth term is AR cube. The fifth term will be AR4, and so on. Okay. After that, the question says the sum of infinite series is 60. So I can tell that S infinite equals to 60, while the S infinite is 1 A over 1 minus R equals to 60. We don't know the A, we don't know the R yet, so we will leave it like that. And then the sum of infinite for the odd term, yeah, for the odd term equals to 45. For the odd term, the first term will be A, yeah, because this is the first term. And the next term will be the third term, because odd term is 135 like that. So the next one will be AR square, and the next will be the fifth term, which is AR4, and so on. From this one we will get the A equals to A, yeah, it's the same with the normal S infinite. But for the R, the ratio is R square, because from A to AR square, that means times R square. So the formula is the same, 1 minus R, but this time we will change the ratio into R square equals to 45. From this one, I will think like this. So A over 1 minus R square can be factorized into 1 minus R and 1 plus R, right? And then after that, A over 1 minus R equals to 60. So this one will become 60. 60 over 1 minus R equals to, 1 plus R equals to 45. I can cross multiply, so I will get 60 equals to 45 plus 45 R. Move the 45, 15 equals to 45 R. So R equals to 15 over 45, 1 over 3. 1 over 3 equals to R. So this is the ratio. The question wants us to find the third term. So I have to find the A first before we got the third term, yeah. Let's put the R into A over 1 minus R. 1 over 3 equals to 60. So A over 2 over 3 equals to 60. A equals to 60 times 2 over 3 equals to 40. After I get A equals to 40, find the third term. We can find the third term using the formula of geometric. AR to the power of n minus 1, U3 equals to 40 for A. R equals to 1 over 3, so n equals to 3 minus 1, 40 times 1 over 3 square, 1 over 9 equals to 40 over 9. This is the U3, 40 over 9. There you go guys, that is the solution for your exercise. I hope you can understand it well. If not, you can ask me directly anytime. See you guys, bye bye.